Fresh Martha Stewart, keep gun up in her skirt. Been trapping with dessert, garn poppy from that dirt. Rebellious young Turk, con basics with a Burke. Showing off her inverse twerk. At dark she come a lurk. Like beer, icky ooch, dirt the beard, icky ooch.
Hey, it's Razzlekhan and Gizelle.
Hey.
And we're about to unbox a crazy package from Uzbekistan.
What is this, the 1800s? Like, what's going on right now?
Look at this,
Insane.
like, red wax that peeled off. My doorman was like, what the heck did you order?
What is this? What century is this? It's crazy.
It's definitely like this. If we were still in the Ottoman Empire, mail might look like this.
It's nuts.
Maybe no barcode, but hey. So,
Here we go.
yeah, let's open it.
Very
Okay.
cool. It's like hand stitched. It's really bizarre. And then they have this wax kind of sealing the ends of the thread so it doesn't unravel. It's the
I'll
craziest
peel
thing.
one off. Look,
Yeah.
it's like ceramic almost, but
I know.
I think it's wax. It's just
Yeah.
like
It's like what they use in letters.
back in the day. Shall we just cut in?
Do you want to maybe slice in an area that's not cool?
Oh, that's actually a great
So we can
idea.
keep this.
That's a fine idea.
Yeah.
So we will just go. You might do better with delicate, but let's see. Razzle
Not
and
delicate.
delicate don't really go, but this is not my
Not
best
for
scissors, but
Let's see.
okay.
So we got that. It's like a muslin.
Yeah, and we literally, I don't even remember what I ordered from Etsy,
So it is a
it
surprise
is a real
to
surprise.
all of us.
Oh wow! So we have a plastic bag, and then
So the muslin gets wet.
yeah,
guess.
which is
The
good.
product
And
inside
then
is still good.
there's still it's like rolled. Oh, I think it's the outside of the.
Whoa.
Oh wow! So this is one of. I don't know how this goes with the dress, but we don't have to use it all. We got a lot of stuff
Tricky.
that we're gonna use, like embroidery.
So beautiful.
Oh yeah, and then I got that one too.
Okay. It's a little folklore-y.
Yeah, this one probably
let's
not
see.
as much,
Let's
but
see.
one of them has like it's purple that
Ooh.
we could definitely.
This thing's intense.
I think it was like a peacock, if I recall.
A giant blanket.
Oh my god.
It should just be a blanket.
Yeah, I mean, if we don't use it, it can definitely be a
Nice
blanket.
throw.
Definitely. This one is more of like that Turkish like tulip thing.
Yeah, it's very
Um,
Turkish tulip.
Do we have anything? Are there only 3? There might be. I think I didn't read the size because this is huge.
Well, there's your cape.
Right?
It's already sewn.
I was kind of
You
thinking.
just drape it on the shoulders.
Literally.
And done and done.
So.
Wow, Heather, this is crazy.
Right?
This is like a bedspread for a king size bed.
Basically, yeah. I didn't really realize how big it was when I ordered it.
This is massive.
But we have a lot
That's
here.
very cool.
I don't even know how big this is. Is there anything else in this bag? Let's see. There might be, but probably not.
Is this silk? No.
It feels like velvet, but it might be silk velvet because Uzbekistan has a lot of really good silk and cotton. So
Yeah,
it
I
could
don't
be.
know. I don't
But
know. It's like backed.
if you don't know where Uzbekistan is, it's on the Silk Road. It's by Tajikistan and Turkmenistan and I think Kazakhstan. I've been there before.
Kyrgyzstan,
Kyrgyzstan, it's in the stands.
all the stands.
Really good textiles.
Central Asia.
Central
as they
Asia.
call themselves.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is what was inside our crazy package. I thought they were scamming me because I ordered it in January, but you know, the mail in Uzbekistan is not a simple thing.
So it
So
comes wrapped in muslin. You know they're bringing it on a donkey.
basically like a donkey or
A donkey or a
probably either or.
Probably
Probably
a donkey.
a donkey. Camels are more
This is crazy.
other parts of Middle East, but yeah, so this is what we have, and this has been a Razzlekhan unboxing of Uzbek hand-sewn, hand-stitched, what is this even called? Like,
I don't even know. Bedspread.
bedspread, embroidered thing, Suzanne, I think. Anyways, Razzle-dazzle, Razzlekhan, and Gizelle over and out. Woo!